Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So MATIC broke below the target area, so it was an area here that was relevant, that needed to hold in order to allow us to make an impulsive move to the upside here. And now we have now an overlap between wave 1 and wave 4. Now at the moment we only have 3 waves down, which is not a disaster. So it means this could still be let's say a bullish move, but it would only count as a diagonal, and that is always something, yeah, not too reliable. So now we can draw here a channel basically, and we are sort of sitting now at the support level of this channel. Now it could still move up in a 5th wave, yeah, and we could still be in this breakout pattern. It just became much less likely. If we want to do this, and if the market wants to do this, and if we are in a bullish pattern, it needs to turn around now. Yeah, so it needs to turn around now as a diagonal. Otherwise, I think the chances massively increase. They already have increased, but they massively increase that we come down in what I would then say has to be an extended wave 2 down, which means that would actually be a good way of loading up some MATIC cheaper. Yeah. For anybody who missed the buy-in. So the point is here, this could still be a leading diagonal to the upside, but we are missing a 5th wave. Now, I cannot confirm this now anymore because it's not an impulsive structure anymore. So I can't really confirm this anymore until we see 5 waves. Yeah, so there might be a move up, there might not be. If we break out of the channel, I think that for sure, well, I shouldn't say for sure, but there most likely is not going to be another move up. That means it's not necessarily bearish, but it will be short-term downside before we then move up in wave 3. The current assumption is that wave 3 started already, but with the move of today, this has become much less likely. We've got 2 conflicting patterns here on the chart. We've got this channel to the upside, which we might now break out of, and we have the descending channel in which we can still operate here. So it's further consolidation in an overall uptrend. And I already told you, if we break below 80 cents, it can be here a W, X, Y, X, Z pattern, a super rare pattern, but this then points towards the 60-cent level. Yeah, so for a wave 2 as an alternative. So anybody who missed buying in for the first time in this area here then has another chance to load up, who wants to, and then to expect a wave 3 to the upside. So this 5-wave move would just move over here. Now it's not entirely clear. I'm not going to dismiss the current breakout pattern here until we have a clearer signal, but I've now put onto the chart here this WXYXZ pattern. I think I would nearly make this now the primary count, just because a leading diagonal again is getting less likely. We haven't broken out of resistance, and yeah, to be fair, I would now even say until we break back above the 85-cent level, yeah, which is that swing high here, I am going to go with this count here that is focusing on the downside, which would mean that we, in a wave Z, yeah, possibly have now seen the A wave. There might be a wave B up and then a C down. We'll see how this is going to unfold, but the point is we now have an overlap between wave 1 and 4, and that is not bullish anymore. It can still work as a breakout pattern, but if you have a diagonal like that, you really, yeah, it's sort of, you know, you have to give it the benefit of the doubt, and the bullish prospect, or the imminently bullish perspective here has shifted towards something more bearish, just because it is not an ideal upside pattern anymore. That move down wasn't good for MATIC, and it might mean just some short-term downside before we then have a chance to finish the wave 2 and reverse to the upside. So yeah, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.